Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Iris 44 drawer plastic storage cabinet. This is going to be a small parts organizer for me in my garage, or if my wife sees it, she's probably going to use it for her art supplies. All right, let me show you something. Almost every garage in America has a bucket like I have. It's very aggravating, but it's how I store all my extra screws and everything over the years. Literally, that bucket is full. I am going to start transferring that over to here and finally get some organization. Let me show you the storage capacity of these drawers. These are the larger drawers, and there are 12 of these in this little cabinet. Now there are 32 of these smaller drawers, and you can get a lot of stuff even in the smaller drawers. So that's really going to go a long ways towards helping you get organized, no matter how you use it, for stuff in your garage, art supplies, school supplies, whatever. Let me give you a side view so you can see how wide it is and how it might fit wherever you want to use it. And I will pull a tape measure here, and it is 6.5 inches wide. It is 15.5 inches tall. The width of this cabinet going this way is 20 inches. Let's take a look at the back, and what I like about this is there are 4 spots where you can hang this cabinet on the wall, and it is very lightweight, so it wouldn't put any stress on your wall to hang it. They also have these plastic dividers, so you could actually just pull these off, break them in half, and you've got dividers for your small drawers and your large drawers. Okay, this gets a thumbs up from me. It's a great little storage cabinet by Iris, and I got to get it filled up really quick with stuff in my garage because my wife has a bunch of art supplies, and when she sees this, she's going to want one, or she's going to try to steal this one. So I hope if you're looking at this, you found the video helpful.